Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me, Muhammad Faris Multazam, student college at Polytechnic IDN, majority engineer. Today, in this video, I will tell you about how to configure dynamic routing. And the way is RIP, and then EIGRP, and then OSPF, and the last is BGP. And Bismillah, let's start from RIP. This RIP is Routing Information Protocol, or abbreviated RIP. Is one of the routing protocols that can be used when we run dynamic routing. RIP is suitable for small to medium scale networks. This is because RIP has limitations that make it unusable on large networks. The step is so easy, inshallah. First step, in my step, enter the IP address for all end device, and then enter the IP on each port, then activate the router. After that, do router RIP configuration. There's router version 2, network, and no auto summary. And the last, to check the network connected or not, do ping to check it. Okay, let's start from the end device. So we have laptops here. Let's start enter the IP address to all of these end device. Because I put the network is this, so we put here same as this. Okay, 192.168 and 10 and 1. This is the network and this is the IP default gateway. Just copy it like this to do this to other end device, all of the end device. Okay. Do this to every end device. Make sure that the IP is correct. Okay, the IP is already added, and now we start to put the IP address to the router. Okay, let's start from the first router. Go to CLI, enable configuration terminal, interface, fast Ethernet 0/0, because the part down is this. IP address, use this because the port is I want to use this, so put this to this. Prefix subnet max slice 24 0. Alright, no shutdown. Okay, now it's turned to green. Do And now we go to the interface through a router. Interface server 2/0 IP address 10.10.10.1 subnet mask prefix 20/25. Alright, and no shutdown. Okay, the IP address already linked, so we move to the second router. Go to CLI, enable configuration terminal, interface fast ethernet 0/0 IP address 20.1.255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Then interface server 2/0 IP address 10.10.10 subnet mask 255.1.2 and H. No shutdown. Because this router has three connection, we must to connect the third part. This. Okay. Interface server 3/0 IP address is this in my topology 20.20.20.1 prefix subnet mask 25 255.255.255.128. Oh, I'm sorry. IP address here. Alright. No shutdown. Okay. It is already linked. Okay. Let's move to the third router. This CLI. Enable configuration terminal. Interface fast ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.30.1.255.255.255 prefix 24/0. No shutdown. And then interface server 3/0 IP address 20.20.20.2 because the one is already used for this part, so we use 2 for this part. Okay. Alright. IP address subnet mask 255.255.2 and prefix 25. Alright. No shutdown. These all are already linked, but the RIP routing information protocol doesn't run yet, so we must to configure it from the first router again. Let's move to first router. This if you want, I have the not to land here. If you want to this, the step is like this. Okay, I will show you for the example. Router RIP version 2 network. This network is this and this. Okay, the network is this 10.0 and 255. Oh no. Alright. Networking 10 summary. Alright, the first router is already connected by RIP. Let's move to the second router. Alright, exit router RIP. Router RIP version 2 network, because this is have 3 network, we must put it 3 network. 10 10 10 0 network can 0. Alright, network 20 20 20 at 0. Alright, let's move again to this third. Alright, exit router RIP version 2 network 20 20 20 0 network 192.168.30 0. No auto summary. Yeah, I forgot to put no auto summary here. Auto summary, alright. Let's check it. To show IP route. RIP is marked by R, so we have this R, this, and this is already linked. Inshallah can be what? Yes. Okay, this the RIP. Let's check the second. To show IP route. This again. R connected. Is connected. Okay, and now this. To show IP route. This is already connected. This. Okay, let's check it by ping. Ping failed. Successful to here. Wait a second. Successful here to here. Wait a second. Successful this to this. Wait a second. Alright, successful. RIP routing information protocol is already done, and that's it. The configuration. This is the Noto LAN. You can use this. Okay. And now let's move to EIGRP. Alright, and this is the EIGRP. Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. Wait a second. Okay, we have this EIGRP. Our Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol is a type of dynamic routing protocol. EIGRP routing can only be used on Cisco router device and doesn't support other routers. Or this is Cisco property. That's Cisco router device. The advantage is that there is a backup line that will replace the main line if a failure occurs. Okay, then we move to the step same as RIP, EIGRP. In my way is enter the IP address for all end device, and then enter the IP on each port, then activate the router and the third router EIGRP configuration. Router EIGRP group 1 or 2 or 3 network blah 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 blah, and then web mask. This no auto summary, and then the fourth is do a ping to check the network whether it is connected or not. Okay, Let's move to the configuration. Bismillah. We minimize this. Okay, two laptops. We put the IP address here. Wait a second. All right. Let's put the IP address first here. 192.168.110.1 and put this. Wait a second. Copy to all of end device. Tray and then here. Then here. I'm sorry. Tray. Okay. All right. Then here. Copy this. Enter. And now this. All right. The IP address is already put to all of end device. And then now let's move to the router. Let's configure the router. Same as like IP, we put the IP address here. Enable configuration terminal, interface, fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.10.1, prefix subnet mask size 24, 255.255.255.0. Alright, no shutdown. And then move to interface server 2/0, IP address 10.10.10.1 and prefix 30, subnet mask 255.255.255.252. Alright, no shutdown. Okay, let's move to other router. Here's the next router. Same, the way is same. Just do it to every router and here. Interface enable configure terminal interface FA0/0 IP address 192.21.255.255.0. No shutdown. Interface SE2/0 IP address 10 10 10 2 255 255 255 252. Enter no shutdown. The interface server 3/0 IP address 20. Oh, it's 2020 1. I'm sorry. 255 255 255 252. Okay. No shutdown. Alright, it's already. And then move to the third router. CLI. Enable configuration terminal. Interface FA0/0 IP address 31. 255 255 255 and 0. Okay, no shutdown. And the interface SE3/0 IP address 20 2, and then 255 because we use the 30 of prefix subnet mask. Enter, and no shutdown. Okay, the every interface is changed to state up. This green is already linked, and now we put the EIGRP in every router. All right. If you forgot the configuration, I have been not this. You can screenshot this. All right. This router EIGRP. No. VM is weld mask. Weld mask. All right. This is the same. Just erase it. Okay. Just this is enough. Okay. Let's do the EIGRP configuration. Router EIGRP group. I want to make it 1 for the easy. All right. And network 10 0, and weld mask is the opposite of subnet mask, and the opposite of subnet mask /24 is 0003. Okay, like this, and then enter. And now network 162, because move down here, 168 20 10 0, and then because the opposite of subnet mask prefix 24, this I'm sorry, this 0 0 0 dot 255, this. Okay, then no auto summary, done. Move to the other router. Okay, exit router EIGRP 1 group 1, because this group 1, this is mask group 1, and this mask group 1 again. All right, enter. Network, we have 3 network, this, and this. We must put it all here. Network 10 10 10 0, and wild mask 0 0 0 3. This agency, alhamdulillah. Then the network move down here. Network 192.168 and 20 and 0, and then 0 0 0 255. All right, and then the third network 20 20 20 0, and wild mask 0 0 0 3. Wild mask of subnet mask /30. Okay, enter. And after that, no auto summary, enter. EIGRP NIC per serial summary configured. Okay, it's fine. And then let's move to the last router here. Okay, enter, exit, router EIGRP 1, network 20 20 20 0 0 0 0 3, agency. Okay, alhamdulillah. And then network 192.168 30 0 and subnet web mask 0 0 0 255 and no auto summary. Right, the channel is already configured. Now we look the configuration to show IP route. EIGRP, where is this? No. EIGRP nah, this is the code. D is the code for EIGRP when it is connected, and this already connected. This D. Let's move to the middle router to show IP route. This we have this, and this already connected. Then the first CLI to show IP route. This 1, 2, 3. Okay, already connected. Alhamdulillah. Let's now ping it. Ping for check. Already connected. Uh, 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 very well or not? Ping here to there in progress. Wait a second. Okay, successful from here to here. Wait a second. Failed. Alhamdulillah. Successful here to here. Successful. Okay, and here to here. Okay, already successful from here to here. Okay, successful here to here. Successful here to here. Successful. Okay, here to here. Successful here to here. Okay, successful. Okay, the EIGRP is already done. And now let's move to other dynamic routing configuration. Okay, thank you. Let's move. So, alright guys, and now we will configuring open OSPF. What is OSPF? OSPF, or Open Shortest Path First, is a service on routers to perform dynamic routing in order to distribute, organize, and maintain information data. In OSPF, network administrators can control all routing that is joined and has the same policy and network settings. This can be done because OSPF has an autonomous system. The autonomous system feature is used to manage complex networks or large numbers, so to minimize errors in packet distribution. OSPF is the best solution. The step I use to configure OSPF is: first, enter the IP address for all end devices, and then enter the IP on each port, then activate the router. And third, do router OSPF configuration. For the example, this router OSPF group 1, group 2, group 3, or etc. And then network blah 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 will mask area. This is will mask area, will mask, and then area 1, area 2, area 3, or etc. Network blah 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 weld mask area blah 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 blah, like that. Okay, and then after doing the third step, we go to the fourth step, that is do ping to check the network it is connected or not. Okay, for first, let's enter the IP address for all end device. Go to the laptops and put this I already put my IP address here, and this again, put your IP address. This again, put your IP address. Again this, and this. Okay. Astagfirullah. After that, enter the IP on each port, then activate the router. Let's see. Enable configuration terminal interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255. Here I use prefix 24, prefix subnet mask /24, then here 0. Okay. No shutdown. After that, interface server 2/0, enter. And then put the IP address, enter the IP address 10, 10, 10, 1. Subnet mask I use prefix /30, then 255.255.255.252. Enter. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, missing address, IP address. Okay. And then, no shutdown. Okay. Let's move to other router. Here, we configure this. Okay. Enable configuration terminal interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.20.1 Oh no. I'm sorry. IP address 255.255.255.2 and 0. Enter. No shutdown. Okay. Then interface server 2/0. Enter IP address 10, 10, 10, 2.2, 255, 255, 255, 252. Enter. No shutdown. Okay. Then interface server 3/0. Enter IP address 20, 20, 20.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.252. Enter. No shutdown. Okay, let's move to other router. Enable configuration terminal interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.30.1 255.255.255.0. Interface SA 3/0 IP address 20.20.20.2 255.255.252. Enter. No shutdown. Okay. The IP address is the IP address are now the IP address now already linked, so we can configure this to OSPF, dynamic routing. Go to the first router. Alright. Router OSPF, like this. If you this, please write this. Okay. Alright. Group OSPF. I'm sorry. Exit. Exit. Router OSPF. Group 1. Alright, I want the group is 1, so router OSPF 1. And then network here 192.168 and 1 and 10 and 0, and then wild mask. Don't forget, for OSPF we use wild mask, not subnet mask. Then 0 0 0 and 255, like this. I'm sorry, I forgot to put area 0. Okay, just put 0 there. Okay, and then do this again to every single part. Okay, 10 10 10 0 0 0 0 3. Why 3? Because I use prefix slash 30. Area 0. Alright. Now this is already, and then we move to other router. Here, exit, router OSPF 1, network 10 10 10 0 0 0 0 3, area 0. Enter. Network. Okay, this loading. Process full. Okay, loading done. And then net again 20 20 20 0 0 0 0 3, area 0. Okay, enter. And then the last is this. Okay, network 192.168.20.0.0.0.0.255. I'm sorry. Area 0. Wait a second. This. Okay. Nah. I'm sorry. Then move to this router. This exit router OSPF 1, network 20 20 20 0 0 0 0 3, area 0. There. Wait a second. Okay, loading the full, loading done. And now network 192.168.30.0 and 0 0 0 and 255. Enter. I'm sorry. Area 0. Alright. Now for checking, after do this, do a ping to check the network, or we can check by exit to show IP route. OSPF is markable by O. So this OSPF, this OSPF, this OSPF. How about the others? Let's see. This exit do show IP route. Enter. Nah, this OSPF, just one here. Okay, and then let's see here. Exit do show IP route. This. There is again. 1, 2. And now let's test by ping. Laptop to laptop in progress. Failed. Okay, successful. Is to this. Progress successful. Alhamdulillah. Barakallah. And failed in progress. Failed. Wait a second. Progress. Wait, this. Oh, this. I'm sorry. I didn't turn on the interface. Fast Ethernet 0/0. No, shut down. Wait a second. Wait a second for this. This is taking so long. Successful. Okay. Okay, successful. Let's try again. Okay, successful. Okay, OSPF open shortest part first. Now it's already made. Then let's move to other dynamic configuration. For the last, that is BGP. Let's start. Okay, now we are at the last configuration of dynamic routing, that is BGP or Border Gateway Protocol. As the same from the last configuration, the step is enter the IP address, enter the IP on each port, then activate the router, do router BGP configuration, do ping to check the network, it is connected or not. But before do configuration, let me explain a little bit about BGP. BGP or Border Gateway Protocol is a type of dynamic routing protocol. BGP is used for connection between autonomous system or IS. BGP is one type of routing that is often used by large ISP. BGP is included in the category of EGP or Exterior Gateway Protocol routing protocols. BGP has high scalability because it can serve routing exchange in large organizations. That's why BGP is often known as a very complex routing protocol. And that is about a little bit about BGP. And now we move to the step. Because from the last configuration, we do several times enter the IP address, enter the IP on each port. To shorten the time, I have entered this IP address for all end device. As you can see, this I already put this, all of this I already put, and IP address on each port that activate the router. I did it. You can see this is already green. Now you can see this. Wait a second. Where is it? Oh, that. Fast Ethernet, link up, IP address, serial 3/0, link up, and etc. This again, and this again. Okay, now let's do the configuration. Let's open this. This you can not this make not to learn this. How to do configuration BGP router. Okay, let's do the configuration. Start from the router, first router. Enable configuration terminal router BGP 1, because for make it simple and make it easy, I put the group is 1, but here must use BGP 2 because the second router is the neighbor of router 1, and also to the third router. If we put here BGP 1, we must put this 2 and this 3 or other number except 1 because 1 is the main BGP here. Okay, now let's do the configuration again. Neighbor, where's the neighbor? This router, second router. What is the IP neighbor? I'm sorry, there is some distraction, but don't mention it. Don't be disturbed from that notification. Okay, let's continue our configuration. Neighbor 20 20 remote as 2 because this router I want to make it BGP2 for the address. Okay, enter and enter the network. Astaghfirullah. Alright guys, I'm sorry, there is a mistake here. Wait a second, I want to erase it. No, neighbor 20 to remote as to. Okay. Okay, just because the neighbor is not 20, here is 10. Launching it for a minute. Wait a second. Okay, this is the correct configuration. Neighbor 10 to remote as to, and then network 10 dot 0 mask. We must put the subnet mask here. 255.255.255.252 because we use here slice 30 prefix of subnet mask, and then enter. And network again, we have one network again here, 192.168.10.0 mask 255.255.255.0. Alright, the configuration is easy, right? Just like this. This. Okay, let's move to the second router. CLI enable configuration terminal router BGP to neighbor one yes neighbor I'm sorry neighbor 10.10.1 remote as 1 because this to this remote as 1 enter. Now this BGP exchange neighbor up. Okay, inshallah this is already connected and exchange. Okay, there and now put on the network 10.10.10 to 5 mask 255 255 255 252 enter and then network again 192.168.10 oh no .20.0 mask 255 255 255.0. Okay, now we configure the router again for the next connection from this SE3 server 3/0 to here to the next router. Okay, exit first router BGP to neighbor 20.20.20.2 remote as 3. Why remote as 3? Because I want to make this the address is 3. Okay, enter and then put the network 20.20.20 0 mask 255 255 255 252. Okay, this is already connected and now we move to the third router. Okay, this CLI second. Okay, put this so we can look the topology. Enable configuration terminal router BGP 3 for the address neighbor to 20.20.21 remote access 2 because here is the address is 2. Okay, nah BGP via exchange already connected inshallah bismillah and now we do put network 20.20.20 mask 255.255.255.252 enter network gain 192.168.30.0 mask 255 255 255 and 0. Okay, enter. Now let's check it. After do the configuration, we must check it to ping to check network, or we can do exit first, do show IP route. BGP code of BGP is B. So you can look to this. You can see here BGP is already connected via 20.20.20.1 and this is again connected via BGP. This again connected via BGP. Let's move to other router. Let's check it the IP route. Okay, exit to show IP route. This you can see. This BGP and this also BGP. To the first router, exit to show IP route. This BGP, BGP, this B. Okay, now let's start to ping each other from the end device. In progress, wait second, okay, successful. To here, wait second, in progress, successful. Here to here, wait second, okay, successful. Here to here, in progress, okay, successful. So the BGP border gateway protocol is already connected, and now we did the all of configuration, dynamic routing, RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, and BGP. This BGP and this OSPF and this RIP and this EIGRP. I hope you can understand from my video. I hope you can practicing this. I hope this video is very useful to help you for configuring routing on your duty or on your task. Okay, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.